Okay, so now that we think we have edited the form as much as we can, it's important to make sure we clear the form. And then I always go up to menu and do save as, and I'm going to save this. We'll just do it to the desktop where it is now. Permission slip form ready. It's not really ready because we're going to do accessibility, but or final, I'm going to do pre-accessibility so I don't lose all of my work, and then click save. All right, so now it's time to actually check the accessibility. So we're going to go again to get out of prepare form, go to tools, and do prepare for accessibility. So we're going to choose check for accessibility, make sure the report is unchecked, and then click start checking. All right, so as with all accessibility checks in Adobe Acrobat, you have these two issues of logical reading order and color contrast. So we'll probably do that last. I know the color contrast is okay, but logical reading order, we're going to have to look at that. So then page content, we have two issues. Tab order failed. So page 1, we need to look at the tab order. So let's do fix tab order set to match structure in all pages successfully. Okay, so cool, we passed that. All right, so we're going to try a couple of things to see if we can fix why these are all showing up as alternate text things. So these should be actual like text, so I don't know why it's doing this. We're going to go ahead and do automatically tag PDF, and it says, do you want to update the accessibility? Sure, why not? So it's going to automatically tag everything, so hopefully these are now all paragraphs, and I think it did, so maybe it worked. So let's do check for accessibility, and then do start checking again. All right, so then it's saying, what about these things? So it looks like these two circles and these squares are considered figures. So these again are not necessary because they are like the original boxes I made in Word. They just help to lay it out. But now you can see the blue squares show the fillable fields, so you don't actually need those. So I'm going to actually just fix these by saying this is decorative, this one's decorative, and this one's decorative. So I'll close that. Okay, so by using the automatically tag PDF, it looks like it fixed all the tag issues that were happening in here, and so I don't have any more issues. The thing that we need to check is the logical reading order, so I'm going to go to fix reading order, and then I'm going to choose show order panel, and this is where again we need to show page content order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Where's 9? 9. Okay, I don't know what that is, but 10, 11. So it looks like 9 is where they were trying to, let's do background artifact for that. Ooh. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I think it was flashing like that because it had to renumber everything. So now it goes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Where's 20? So let's look at 20. So again, I think that's just the circle behind it. So we're going to say background artifact. So 20, 21, because 20 is the chaperone, the actual field. 21 is the choice of yes. And then we have this circle again that we don't need. So we're going to make that the background artifact. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What is 26? 26 is the email button. That should come after the signature, which we've talked about. It doesn't make sense to have a wet signature with an email form, but again, just for purposes of this video to teach all the different fields. Okay, so now I think the reading order is correct. So I'm going to close that, and let's see. Go back to the accessibility checker, start checking. Make sure that didn't cause any craziness, and it doesn't look like it did. And I know everything is a high color contrast, so this is good to go. So I'm going to do menu, save as, and now this one is the final one. So I'm going to use the file name, naming properties, permission slip form, no capitals, no spaces, and the hyphens for the spaces. So permission hyphen slip form, and I'm going to say April, or usually this would be in August 2024 because it's at the start of the year. So there is the proper file name for that. I just need to save it to the desktop and click save. And now my form is ready to go.